Blog Talk Radio.
Check out the full episode of this on MENTELLECT Patreon. So, please know that the illumination of our people from out of the here out, the illumination and the raising of our people from out of the here out to raise us to a higher state, put us in connection to the fourth dimension, is our state of evolution, is our state of illumination. We are literally jumping from the second dimension, from the third dimension, and into the fourth, connected into the fourth dimension. And that will produce a brighter race, a higher intelligent being, which we will become, we will continuously become with the regeneration of our mental capabilities, our high mental capabilities, our extended mental capabilities. But along with that, like I tell you all before, there is always a vibrational effect. There's always a rippling effect. That's the word I was looking for, a rippling effect. Because as we are going through this regeneration, as we are extending in this regeneration, growing into who we are, it's also going to cause something to happen within the rest of the year. And for all essential purposes, because we are in America, we count the rest of the year. You know, we are they refer to us as the Beer Cow. They did refer to us as the Beer Cow, right? Meaning the indigenous people who they wanted to wipe out, because that's what they refer to us as the Beer Cow, because we were supposed to be the indigenous people that they were going to wipe out. Say to out us the term out. They were battling us out in order to come and take our place. However, what they didn't anticipate was the extension of illumination to the elect, the common race, the bright race, which is spoken of as the elect in the book of Revelation, meaning that we would come into the knowledge of who we were or who we are as the bright race or the common race, separating ourselves out of the here out and allowing or letting the here out go so that they can fall into the, here, or as we're going to refer to as the neutral race, the gray race. This was taking place. This is taking place right now.
For the complete broadcast, you're going to have to go to MENTELLECT Patreon. Go to MENTELLECT Patreon for this complete broadcast, because it will not, I guarantee you, it will not be on YouTube. Subscribe to MENTELLECT Patreon and join the American Republic.
Subscribe to Ethnic American Channel with Sister Enra Vendetta. That's our channel, the Ethnic American Channel.
And subscribe to High and Mighty Talks on YouTube with NUBEN MENKARAYZZ.